welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today and do a 3-day eating vlog. I do 1 day of coffee, so you can see I put my coffee together and the vitamins I take and stuff, and I'm vlogging that in my kitchen. I eat twice. So I'll do breakfast, I'll do dinner, and any snacks I have, and I'm just gonna vlog it wherever I happen to be. So anyway, if you're new here, I'm gluten-free. I'm moderate to low-ish carb, 50 to 100 a day. I eat to feel good. I listen to my body, and that's usually 100 complex carbs a day. I watch my breads, I stay off the sugar. So anyway, I'm going to jump right into this. If you have any questions or comments, put those down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Y'all. Okay, I got up, did my skincare, and gonna go to the gym. But first, I'm gonna have coffee. And when I do my coffee, I'm just gonna show y'all real fast how I make it, what I put in it, then we'll go to the gym. Okay, in my coffee, I put a little packet of Sweet and Low. I'm about to try the Splenda Naturals, but I don't have that yet. Then I just put regular Coffee Mate. I used to put the cream. I sometimes do put the cream, but I'm going to put Coffee Mate today. Cream starts adding a little bit of weight. My weight starts creeping up if I do too much fat in my coffee. And I've just started something else I'm going to tell y'all about. So I'm just doing Coffee Mate, and I just do as much as I want. And then my coffee, and this is caffeinated. My first cup is always caffeinated, and then the rest of the day is decaf. Maybe 1 cup of caffeine in the afternoon if I feel like I need it. Okay, and then I am not keto, but recently I've started trying this liquid coconut oil. And it's got MCTs. These MCT oils, and I measure this out, about, not quite a full tablespoon of that. I'm doing this because these are supposed to be really good for brain health. Then I'm gonna get my vitamins out, and I immediately take, this little pill is a DHEA. DHEA, it's a hormone regulator because I tested real low for that years ago. I've taken that for years. Then about every other day, I started taking a magnesium. A D3 almost every day because these are so vital. I cannot tell you all the reasons why, but there's a lot of them. When I was about to have ankle surgery, my surgeon put me on D3 to see if he could get my ankle to heal itself. That kind of really said it all to me. I've taken a lime for women over 50. I take a serving of the fish oil, which is 3 of these. And those are all the regular vitamins I take, and that's how I do my coffee. I'm gonna get ready real fast while I drink my coffee, and then we'll get something for the gym. So I'll check back in. Okay, y'all, I'm headed into the gym, and I went ahead and got some peanut butter. If I had gotten ready real fast, I would have been fine with that coconut. It would have held me, but I drank coffee, answered comments, kind of getting a slow start. So it's 2.5 hours after my coffee. So I need a little spoon of peanut butter. And I have my big Yeti of water. I always add a couple of the little rocks of the pink Himalayan sea salt because I lose too much water on low carb. So headed into the gym, gonna eat my peanut butter, and I will check back with y'all. Hey y'all, okay, so that breakfast was pretty perfect. That is eggs with spinach and Laughing Cow cheese. I put real butter in the pan, melted it, sauteed the spinach, added 2 eggs, the Laughing Cow in there, and it's like scrambled egg omelet. Good fat, good protein. That will hold me all day because it had plenty of fat and protein. Then the cup of fruit, I had a little bit of blackberries. Those were great. I just can't overdo it on the fruit. I'm real careful. Then 3 pieces of bacon, coconut milk. That will keep me all day long. So that was just a pretty perfect breakfast. Hope y'all are having a good day, and I will check back. Okay, y'all, it's 5:15. That is a whole bag of superfood salad, which is a lot of kale and real green, crunchy vegetables. And I put a little coleslaw on top of it. That salad, I like to soften that up in the morning by putting dressing on it and then letting it sit all day so that it just kind of softens it up a little bit. And I will eat as much of that as I want. I put some hamburger on it, quite a bit of hamburger for the protein, bunch of veggies, some fat. I should have added some avocado to it for some good potassium and fat and stuff, but I didn't. I had the salad, I had a little bit of coleslaw on it, and then the hamburger meat for the protein. That'll fill me up, and if it doesn't, I'll have another bowl of it, as much as I want. So anyway, y'all have a good rest of the evening, and I will check back with y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. Okay, before the gym, I just grabbed a small handful of craisins and nuts. That always holds me perfect at the gym. And the cranberries, it's just a little more than a bite. It's a big bite. And same with the nuts. It's just enough to make sure my blood sugar doesn't crash, because I do 45 minutes of cardio and I'm pretty fasted. That really helps. And then I came home, and for breakfast, that is 2 boiled eggs sliced up on a piece of gluten-free toast and a Laughing Cow. I hope y'all are having a great day, and I will check back in for dinner. So y'all, wanted to let y'all know I'm having an Atkins bar. These are 130 calories. It's not a lot of carb. These are pretty filling. I may have some coconut milk with it. I just feel like I needed a little snack. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I ate breakfast about 3 hours ago, and I'll probably eat dinner in about 2 hours, but I just needed a little something. So anyway, for having dinner, that is jalapeno cheddar sausage. Delicious. I just cooked it on the stovetop. A bunch of salad with a little coleslaw on it. I like that mix of texture. And then that orange that looks like sweet potato is actually squash, frozen, and I just cooked that on the stove, put a little bit of real butter on it for a little bit more fat, and all the carbs are healthy. Good protein. So anyway, it made me feel really good and should keep me satisfied for the rest of the day. So anyway, hope y'all are having a good day. Good morning, y'all. Okay, so I'm running late. I'm headed into a pump class, and I'm taking these into pump with me. It's whole almonds. I threw a little bit of cranberries in there because they have so many carbs, but I love them. A little bit of sugar. So took this. This would just hold me over really nice. This is probably a handful and a half. And then I brought my coffee. Y'all, when you're going to your workout early, just make it as good as you can. You take food and drinks and good music. So anyway, wanted to check in with y'all. I'm going to do that, and then I will be back and show y'all what I have for breakfast. I hope y'all are having a... Okay, y'all, I'm going to throw a breakfast together really fast because I have a busy day. I'm going to go visit a friend at the hospital. I'm going to make a couple of videos. This is delicious. It's egg salad, and I'm going to show you how I make it. Coconut milk and half an apple. Sometimes I would do a piece of toast. Just a little bit of carb. That keeps me just feeling real good and doesn't set off my cravings. So anyway, I'm going to point y'all down and show y'all how I make my egg salad. Okay, I keep a bag of boiled eggs ready for snacks, for breakfast. That makes my breakfast so easy. And I eat 2 every morning, whether it's scrambled or boiled or whatever it is I'm doing. I'm going to peel 2 eggs. Okay, then just mashing those up with a fork. And then I am putting just a little spoon of mayonnaise in there. About like that. And then I have just black olives in this container, and I put some black olives in it. And y'all tell me what y'all like in your egg salad. Okay, and then I like jalapeno cheddar sausage, just any kind. And I'm getting about that much. And I'm gonna heat that up. Then half an apple. Okay, then I've got coconut milk, unsweet. I always get the unsweetened one. And I get a pretty good amount of that. It helps keep me full all day. And that's my breakfast. The eggs, I've got good fat, good protein, more good protein, and then a little bit of sugar with the apples. Again, that could be a piece of gluten-free toast and a big thing of coconut milk. Has under 400 calories, or right around. Okay, so that's what I'm going to have for breakfast, and I will check back if I have a snack, and if not, I will see you at dinner. Y'all have a great day. Okay, so tonight I'm having egg roll in a bowl, and I thought I'm just going to make this with them. So I'm going to point y'all down here. I'll show you what I've already done, and we'll just make this together. Okay, in the pan I put some butter, like a tablespoon or 2 of butter, and melted it. And then I poured in some liquid aminos that are kind of like a soy sauce. I also have a gluten-free soy sauce I sometimes use. And then I'm turning it on high. A whole bag of tricolored coleslaw. And then I'm just going to saute it in there until it gets to be a little bit tender, but not soft and mushy. While that's cooking, I already have hamburger meat made up. And I'm gonna stick it in the microwave and warm that up so we can pour that over it later. I just put as much as I want. I just be sure I have a good amount of meat. So I'm gonna stick it in the microwave and then I'll point y'all back down here. I've got it on high. I'm gonna turn it down just a couple of notches, down to about 8.5 or 8, medium high. And I don't cook this real long. It's almost raw when I eat it like this. You can cook it however much you want. Okay, then my hamburger meat is warm, and I'm just gonna put as much of that as I want on it. And sometimes I'll eat 2 giant bowls of this. It's like the inside of an egg roll. So I'm just gonna fill that up. A ton of veggies, a ton of protein, and so fast. Like, I eat a huge bowl of it, like that. Okay, and that is all there is to egg roll in a bowl. Super easy, healthy. I eat this all the time. I eat this right now. And you can do this in a lot of different, I can add a lot of things to this. Some of my favorite things to add, I like to add a sweetness to it with a sauce. This grandma's, or I don't even say that, grandma's or grandma's. There's a picture of a grandma on the front of it. So probably grandma's sweet chili sauce. This is really good, like a sweet and sour. This is gluten-free. I also like to put nuts in it. This pistachio mix, the Planters pistachio mix, or the Blue Diamond almonds. Either one of those are great. Or boiled eggs would be good in it. A lot of different ways, but it's healthy, it's fast, and I eat this all the time. So, okay, and that concludes my 3-day clean eating vlog. If you have any questions or comments about the diet I follow, carbs, sugars, you know, whatever, put those down below. I would be happy to answer any questions you might have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.